So yes, welcome to my YouTube channel friends. My name is Amandeep Singh. So this is the question asked in June 2020 CSR NET exam. So take from COV and in 3 marks, okay, and ask in 3 marks. So the question is the extremal of the function jy is equal to 0 to 1 integral 2y dash to the square plus xy dx, where boundary value condition is y is equal to y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1 for y belongs to c square 0 1. Okay, option y is equal to x square plus 11x upon 12, y is equal to x square upon 3 plus x cube upon 3 plus 12x square upon 3, and y is equal to y is equal to x square upon 7 plus 6x upon 7, and y is equal to x cube plus 24 upon 23 plus 23x plus 23x upon 24. Sorry. So let us do this question. So yeah. Yes. So the question, first of all we have to learn the one result which is a Euler function, I can say. Okay, so we will use the Euler equations, which is curly f by curly y dash minus d of dx, sorry यहाँ y था, curly f by curly y dash is equal to 0. So by using these Euler equations we have to find the value of this particular solution. Okay, Euler equation. ओके, सो देखते हैं इसको कैसे फाइंड करें. सो f इज इक्वल टू कितना है, f मेरा ये चीज़ है, f इज इक्वल टू 2y डैश टू द स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई. नाउ आई वांट टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ करली f बाय करली y फर्स्ट. सो यस, करली f बाय करली y इज इक्वल टू x only because it is the partial derivative, all other terms are constant. Okay, and curly f by curly y dash is equal to 4y dash. Okay, is equal to 4y dash. So after put this value in equation star, so I get x dx d by dx, so it is 4y dash is equal to 0. So after solving it, x minus 4y double dash is equal to 0. Now I convert this equation into ODE. Basically this is ODE. So x minus 4d square is equal to 0. So basically d square is equal to x by 4. Okay, and y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1 are given. Okay, yes. So now I want to calculate the solution of this equation. सो सबसे पहले तो इसका जो सोल्यूशन फाइंड करो, ठीक है, इसका जनरल सोल्यूशन फाइंड करो डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0 से, विच इज इक्वल टू वाई c1x प्लस c2. ओके, या इसको c1x c2 लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. और यहाँ से अगर देखूँ इसका पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन फाइंड करूँ, पर्टिकुलर सोल्यूशन विच इज इक्वल टू x बाय 4 इंटू एफ डी, और एफ डी मेरे पास कितना है, यह है डी स्क्वायर. सो नाउ दिस मीन्स आई इंटीग्रल दिस x बाय 4 टू 2 टाइम्स. ओके, व्हेन आई इंटीग्रल दिस x बाय 4 टू 2 टाइम्स, देन आई गेट फर्स्ट आई गेट x स्क्वायर बाय 8, then after that to double integral I get x cube by 24. Okay, x cube by 24. Therefore I put x cube, I add this x cube by 24 in this equation 1. So y is equal to c1x plus c2 plus x cube by 24. Now I use the boundary value problem, boundary value condition, y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1 to finding the value of c1 and c2. So when I use y0 is equal to 0, then c2 is equal to 0. ओके, बिकॉज ये और ये वाली टर्म जीरो हो जाएंगी. Then when I use y1 is equal to 1, then this term y is equal to means 1 is equal to c1 plus, because this term is 0 and 1 upon 24, so c1 is equal to 23 by 24. ओके, मेरे पास दो वैल्यूज आ गई. नाउ आई विल पुट दिस वैल्यूज इन इक्वेशन सेकंड. सो नाउ द रिजल्ट इज y is equal to 23 by 24 into x plus x cube by 24. Okay, so this is the result which I get. Okay, now I match this result with the options, so clearly option 4th is true, because I get x cube by 24 and 23x by 24. This is the fourth option. So I hope you got this question. So thank you friends.